I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out a video in CapCut. So we have our video, we need to go to basic, and we have a scale right here. So first we need to put a keyframe so we can see this little white dot on the video. Now we scale, so there's another keyframe, another dot in the video. As you can see, the scale is now almost 200%. And now we need to make it go back to another size. Let's go 100%, and I can see another white dot has appeared on that. So we have 3 white dots. When we have the start and it's 100%, now then should increase to 200. As you can see, 199 actually, and go back to 100%. So let's start the video and I'll show you how it works. It goes zoom in and zoom out. Let's go again. It zooms out first, it's in on the second. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.